Hello boys and girls, my name is Maria. March 17th is St. Patrick's Day. On St. Patrick's Day, everyone wears something green, such as a green hat, a green shirt, a green sweater, a green skirt, green pants, green socks, or green shoes. Today we're gonna make one of green stuff. Can you guess what it is or what they are? Let's try to make it with them and find the answer. Here's what you need. A white paper plate, pieces of white paper, pieces of black paper, some green paint, a brush, a yellow or golden pipe cleaner, a pair of scissors, a pencil, glue, and a roll of tape. And before you start, put on your smock. Are you ready? Alright, let's get started. Firstly, put the paper plate on top of your head and trace an outline of your head. Don't move. Like this. Next, pour gently here and make a notch. Cut along the outline and make a big hole that your head fits. There. Then roll up a piece of white paper and put it in a hole. Glue or tape one side to the other. And make it just the right height. And glue or tape the plate with a hole and the rolled up paper together. Like this. Put another piece of paper on top of the tube. This time trace an outline of the tube with your pencil and cut along it. Good. Again, tape a paper circle on top of the tube like this. Look, it's a top hat. Now let's paint the hat green. You should paint inside the hat too. Make a belt and a buckle while drawing out your hat. Cut a piece of black paper and make a strip. Then wrap the strip around your hat and glue or tape it. At last, we need a pipe cleaner. Bend the pipe cleaner and make a rectangle. Like this. Cut off the excess and reuse it to make a buckle. Glue them on the belt like this. Look at this top hat. Now your leprechaun hat is done. Put on your own leprechaun hat and celebrate St. Patrick's Day. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Have a great St. Patrick's Day. Goodbye.